Hey guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. This is Shrija over here, and in today's video we're gonna see hosting a web hosting plans, and I'm gonna explain you all the different hosting plans and which is suitable for you. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So now let's say you have decided to create your first website. So if you are confused which plan to choose, which is right fit for you, so I'm here to help you. So Hostinger is a hosting service provider. So in this Hostinger we have different kind of hosting services. So I'll explain you everything, and at the end you will be getting to know that which is suitable for you, for your website, for your relatable to your website and your content. So now let's get started with this. So here this is the Hostinger website. So when you open this hostinger.in, you will be redirected to this site, and here in the menu section you can see you are having this hosting. So when you drop down, you can see different kinds of hosting services that this Hostinger provides. So firstly we'll discuss about this shared web hosting. So as you can see, it is mentioned over here, this shared web hosting is for small to medium websites. So you'll be sharing resources with other websites on the same server. Without doubt, it's one of the most popular types of hosting, and it's best suited for the beginners, and because it's easy to use and it's affordable. As you are a beginner, you don't need much resources for you because you're just starting. So you can start your website with as low as you can see it's 79 rupees per month. So this is very affordable for you as a beginner. You can just go for this, as it is very less cost, and it is having all the resources that you need as a beginner. And so if you are a beginner and don't want to spend a lot of money, so this might be a perfect one for you. So there are different hosting plans in this shared hosting, so we'll see. So here we have this single web hosting, premium web hosting and business web hosting in this shared plan. So in the single share web hosting, you will be getting one website, and that means you can just host single website, and you'll get a one email account with your domain name, and you'll get free SSL, and you get 10,000 monthly visits. With this you can host your blogs and your business websites and any other similar kind of website without any issues. And then if you are wanting to use any e-commerce or WooCommerce, it may not be suitable because it doesn't have many resources for your WooCommerce thing. So then we'll see this premium website web hosting, and it has 100 websites, and you can create 100 business email accounts, and you get the free SSL, and you get a domain name, you get 25,000 visits monthly, and you have many resources compared to this single web hosting plan. And you can just make multiple websites, and similarly you just have almost all the benefits of premium web hosting in your business web hosting. And you just get 100 websites, and you just get 200 GB SSD storage. And here is the best part, you just get 1 lakh visits monthly. So this is when your website is growing, your traffic is increasing, you can just switch between these plans. Like when you want to upgrade your website, when you feel like your website is getting more traffic, you can just move to other plans which have more monthly visits. And here you get free email, free SSL, free domain, unlimited bandwidth, and the best part is you have 30 days money back guarantee in these three things, and you get free CDN also. So basically business shared hosting contain all the benefits of your premium hosting, and it comes with the daily backups, and it will include the free content delivery network that we have seen just now. This is free CDN, that is the content delivery network that will help you and your website to load faster and business shared hosting is capable of handling around 1 lakh monthly visits, I have said you. So then this business shared hosting is for e-commerce, as it handles more traffic compared to the others and have more resources. You could install more plugins compared to the premium plan, and your website would run completely normal without experiencing any decrease in load time. So even business shared hosting is best of all the shared hostings. It doesn't mean it has resources for everything. So remember this, in the shared hosting, even the business shared hosting is the most popular one and most most better one upon all these two. It doesn't have resources for everything. So now let's move on to the next type of hosting that is provided by Hostinger, that is cloud hosting. So let's go to the hosting, and here you can see this cloud hosting, and you can see that it is for large scale projects. So let's click on this. So by this type of hosting you get dedicated resources, and you will not be sharing with anyone else like as it is in the shared hosting. So now you can see we have 3 plans. So this cloud hosting is a great option for quickly growing websites. So simply as beginners, you don't need much resources. You can start with shared hosting, and once you see your website needs an upgrade, you can always move to cloud hosting. So here here in this cloud hosting we have 3 plans here. This is a starter plan, professional, and cloud enterprise. And you can host up to 300 websites, and you get free email, free SSL, free domain, and free CDN in all the 3 plans. And then here in the professional one, we can host up to 300 websites, and you get all these benefits by this. You get 6 GB RAM, 250 GB SSD storage, and with this cloud enterprise you can host up to 300 websites, 300 GB SSD storage. So these are all your benefits by these plans. So you can choose accordingly, according to your website needs, traffic and all, your requirements and resources. You can just choose accordingly in this cloud hosting plan. So this plan is easy to use. It has much dedicated resources as VPN, and it's a great choice for e-commerce, large blogs, business websites, or any similar websites. So now let's go to the next hosting plan, that is WordPress Hosting India. So we'll see this WordPress hosting. So this WordPress hosting is great for beginners, especially for the ones who are willing to use WordPress as their content management system. So just like shared hosting, you will be sharing your hosting with other websites, so that you would not have dedicated resources that you have with cloud hosting or VPS and all. So the only difference between the WordPress hosting and the shared hosting is that this WordPress hosting is optimized only for WordPress. So it's great news for the beginners. Your website run fast and smooth with WordPress. So then we'll see the plans. So here we have 5 plans. So our first plan is single WordPress. So it is 99 per month. It is a very good affordable plan, and it has here you can host to one website, and you have one email account. You get free SSL, and you don't get Jetpack for this, but when you use the WordPress starter plan, and here you can see that you can host up to 100 websites, and then also you can get this Jetpack free. And also you have this free email, free SSL, free domain, unlimited bandwidth. And when you move to next one, that is business WordPress, here you can host up to 100 websites. You get free email and up to 1 lakh visits monthly. And when you go to the next WordPress premium one, here you can get 3 lakh visits monthly, and you can choose accordingly on this all plans. So here I can just summarize that the first two plans are for your blogs and businesses, so they might be more suitable for this blogs and business, and the last two will be more suitable for like small sized WooCommerce websites if you want to build. And last, to have a free CPN also, so that you CDN also, so that you don't need to put extra money on getting the CDN, which is worth 545. So you get this free CDN, content delivery network. So now let's move on to our last hosting service, that is VPS Virtual Private Server. So here we have VPS hosting. So this is having the dedicated resources to scale, so which this says. So then if you scroll down, you can see the hosting plans of VPS. So not like any other type of hosting mentioned before, VPS is for advanced users. So by this VPS you will get this full root access and you get more dedicated resources for you. So we have these plans, and only the difference between these is only the dedicated resources only. So now you know better about the plans. So here you can see you can choose accordingly. So this is all for this video, guys. So now you know all about the plans, and now you can choose wisely that which plan is suitable for you depending upon your level. Like if you are a beginner, you can go for WordPress hosting or shared web hosting, and if you are advanced in the advanced stage, you can go for this VPS. And also if you want more dedicated resources, you can go for this cloud hosting. So let's sum this up. So here you can see I just summed up all the things in one picture. So here you can see the cost and tech knowledge required, performance, and the server control based upon the performance of these 4 hosting services. And these 2 are for beginners, and this is cloud hosting is when you need to upgrade from your current website to some more resources, when you require more resources and more traffic is coming to your website, then you can go for cloud hosting. And if you are an advanced user, you can go for this VPS hosting, which is an advanced having an advanced dedicated resources for you. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PizzaTips Pro.